Come with me to make a batch of slime for my kids. It is very important that you always start with a clean surface and clean hands. I sanitized and cleaned my surface and I washed my hands before I got started. Now I'm going to add some color. What color do you think I just added? Tell me your guess in the comments. Also, I literally left my spoons to stir up the food color. So I'm going to go get that. I'll be right back. I hate getting my hands full of food color. Even though it can wash off, within a day if you continue to wash, I'd rather use a stirrer. So here I am. That color is turning out beautiful. I love yellow. It's my favorite color. By the way, I'm making this batch of slime for my kids for when they get home from school today. I hope they like it. Now, let me tell you, this activator, baby, this activator I made this. And I've been researching the perfect activator for the past 10 years. So you can say the chemist in me came out. And I feel like I created the perfect activator. Let me know what you all think at the end of this video when you see the final product. But we're going to continue to add activator as needed. I'm going to knit the slime. And I'm going to repeat this. I'm going to repeat this until I get the product I want. Look how ooey and gooey it is. It's so fun. I cannot wait for my kids to get home from school and see this product I made. Okay, more activator. Now I'm starting to get the slime I want. It's looking pretty good. What do you think? So the thing is, you don't want to over-activate your product because the purpose of my activator is to remove the stickiness. So if you over-activate it, then it won't be slime. So that's why I add a little bit at a time as I go and as needed. So now I'm knitting it with my hands. Oh, it's still so sticky. I have to get it where it's not so sticky so that my kids can play with it without making a mess, and I can walk away and do something else and not worry about slime getting stuck everywhere. We're almost there, friends. Okay, it's starting to stretch. It's starting to stretch. Oh, yes. Now the rest of the product that's left on the table is coming up. This is so fun. Tell me, what's your favorite color of slime to make? Yep, I did that. That slime looks pretty good. Go ahead and get the rest off the table because we got if my oldest daughter wants to play, we got 5 kids that's gonna want to play with this slime. So I need all of it. I need all of it off the table. Amiri, she's too young to play with slime. But trust me, she's all eyes on us when we are all playing with it. I think she likes the bright colors. And there you have it. Tell me, guys, did I do a good job? Let me know in the comments. Hey guys, if you like this video, please make sure you comment below, like, share, and subscribe.